and I will go to Leeds to study social policy, sociology and crime.
My name is Lily Bell. I was one of your head girls. I'm planning to go to the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama to study musical theatre.
My name is Darcy. I was one of your deputy head girls, and I'm going to Southampton to study psychology and criminology.
My name is Vanya. I was one of your deputy head girls, and I'm going on to do a global banking degree apprenticeship with Barclays.
My name is Matilda. I was your Curie House captain, and I'm going to University Arts London to study BA acting.
My name's Holly. I've been your Evans House captain, and I'm going to Loughborough to study sport and exercise science.
My name's Emily. I was Garrett's house captain, and I'm going to Leeds to study psychology.
Hi, I'm Akshita. I was your former Seagull house captain, and I'm going to NYU to study computer science.
Hi, I'm Izzy, and I'm really looking forward to being one of your new head girls.
Hi, I'm Layla, and I'm really looking forward to being one of your new head girls.
Hi, I'm Shreya. I'm one of your new deputy head girls with responsibility for junior school.
Hi, I'm Ricky. I'm one of your new deputy head girls with responsibility as women's prefect.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm Curie House captain.
Hi, I'm Poppy, and I'm Evans House captain.
Hi, I'm Tilly, and I'm Garrett House captain.
Hi, I'm Ava, and I'm Seagull House captain.